What's the meaning of axiomatic? Axiomatic. Axiomatic.
Axiomatic. Axiomatic. The word axiomatic describes something that is self-evident or that is based on a set of fundamental assumptions or principles. It refers to a system of thought or belief that is built on these basic, foundational ideas. In other words, an axiomatic approach starts with certain assumptions and then uses logical deduction to arrive at further conclusions or beliefs. When something is described as axiomatic, it means that it is widely accepted as true without needing to be proven or explained further because of its inherent self-evidence or established foundational principles.